We're part of the Dillon family of companies, so we're part of Dillon Dillon Rifle Company. And today I'm here to talk to you about some of our rifles. Right now we're focused primarily on precision bolt-action rifles. One of the tenets that we follow is functional elegance. And so what we brought today is 3 different rifles. One of them is the TAC 501. It's a 50 BMG. It is a legacy weapon. It was part of the Mark 15. It was a special operations sniper system that's been in use for over 20 years. And then I also brought a 308. That is a 308 7.62x5.1. It has a long history of use within the military special operations, US and foreign. And then we have another system that we brought today. We've called it the CTSR, the Counterterrorism Sniper Rifle. It's chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. And this is really where we have chosen to deviate a little bit from conventional designs. So it is a folding buttstock, runs on a 20-inch barrel, but some of the design features have changed. But one of the things that we hold to in all of our systems is, again, I said the functional elegance. So functionally, it's a sub-minute of angle 6.5 Creedmoor system. And with that, we've tried to put in a lot of the different features that make it better for the end user.